Hello and welcome to CHECKR a trustless review protocol for all the crypto projects. And today we are going to learn about liquidity farming, and it is particularly for the CHECKR token of CHECKR. So we will show you in details how to do it and to earn the juicy reward 119% APR. Right now it is 119%. So first of all, you need to connect the wallet, and you have multiple options, and we are going to use extension today, that is Multiverse X DeFi wallet. Once we connect the wallet, then we can see all the information about the CHECKR eGold pool where we can add the liquidity. So currently we have this liquidity, and there is a button add liquidity, and also there is information about the pool address for the X exchange. So we need to copy that one first. So we need to copy that X exchange, or you can directly click the add liquidity button that will direct you to the X exchange liquidity page. Here you can see all the different tokens. They are the Multiverse X project token, and we need to understand the CHECKR token. It is the experimental token. That's why we need to turn on that icon first. Then we can see all the experimental token here, ESDT token. And in the fourth option, you can see there is a CHECKR EGLD pool. So you need to connect the wallet first. Okay, so connect the DeFi wallet again. And once we connect the wallet, then we can again go to the liquidity page where it displays everything. But when this gets connected, you will see your wallet here. Then go to the liquidity page again, and then select the experimental token, that option there. So we are going to click that add button. Right now there are 15 million CHECKR, and that is pulled with 234 eGold. So whatever we have, we can give the liquidity. Right now in my wallet there is 331 CHECKR, and for that CHECKR we need 0.0051 EGLD. So I'm going to provide this liquidity. This is just to show you like how it works, and we need to confirm this transaction, adding liquidity. All right, so the liquidity has been added. Both of our transaction has been completed. They have been successful, and we will go to this page, refresh the page. Then we will see the LP available has changed from 0 to some values there. So this is actually the LP token we got for providing the liquidity into this pool CHECKR EGLD, and we are going to stake it. So staking this LP token, these LP tokens, that is called the farming of the LP tokens. So let's wait again for this transaction to happen. And this LP token you will need when you try to withdraw the LP from the pool. At that time you will need these LP tokens. So you need to unstake from here and then withdraw the LP at the time of withdrawing from the pool. Okay, now it comes under the staked, all that value that comes under staked. Now you can go to staked pool, and under the staked pool now we can see how much the stake deposit is there from our side. And the percentage here, it is so low that it doesn't come as a percentage in two number, after the decimal. So after like one day I will see the reward there, at least some reward I will see. So we're gonna see that also in another video. But today this is like how we gonna farm the LP token of the CHECKR. Then we can harvest the reward when it gets appear here. Every day the reward get accumulated here, and we can harvest at any time. So that is the thing. Alright, hopefully you guys understood how the liquidity farming is done for the CHECKR token in the CHECKR EGLD pool of xexchange.com. Thank you so much for tuning in.